Week 1, Introduction to Computers. Our view of computer hardware and software. Computer hardware. Physical component of computer system is known as computer hardware. Means the component in which we can touch, that is computer hardware. And in central processing unit, CPU, the main part of computer responsible for processing instructions. This just the we can say it as a brain. Memory is the storage device. This is two types, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for random read-only memory. RAM is temporary storage for currently used data. ROM is permanent storage for critical system instructions. And storage devices just like hard disk, SSD, another media for long-term data storage. And input devices are the device that takes data or that takes instruction from user, that is known as input device. Keyboard, mic, scanner, etc. used to into the data in the computer. Output devices are the devices that show results or that display or gives processed result to the user, that is known as output devices, just like monitor, printer, speaker, used in convey information for the computer to the user. Peripheral devices are additional devices like USB drive, external hard disk drive, etc. Computer software are set of instructions that tell hardware what to do. Computer software are the set of instructions that tell hardware how to do or what to do. Categories of subcomputer software: system software, application software. The system software, the operating system and utility program that manage computers resources. System software is software that manage computer resources, just like other application software can run on the utility program or computer operating system, that are system software. Application software program that perform a specific task for user, like word processor, web browser, and games, etc. Understanding the role of input processing and output and storage devices. Input devices function. Input devices, the device that take data from user, that is known as input devices. Function of input devices are allow user to enter data and command in the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Processing devices. Function of processing devices are CPU process the data according to the instruction provided by software. CPU, the brain of computer or central processing unit, which is brain of computer, process the data that was given to the computer in the form of instructions. Component of CPU are compromising control unit, arithmetic, logic unit, and registers. Output devices. The function of output devices is to display or output the processed data to the user. The data we have given to the computer through input devices, that will be shown on the display or in the form of soft output or hard output through monitor, printer, or speaker. That is known as output device. Storage devices. Storage devices. The function of the storage device is store data and program permanently or temporarily. We can store data in the computer in the two form, for short term and long term also. Type of storage. There are two type of storage: primary storage, secondary storage. Primary storage is volatile, means that store data for short term, and secondary storage is permanent storage, or the storage where we can keep our data permanently or for long term. The example primary storage. The example of primary storage is RAM, that store data for short term till the computer is start, and secondary storage hard drives, SSD, CD, etc. for long term storage. Now, introduction to operating system. Software that manage computer hardware and software resources and provide common service for computer programs. Means the software which manage computer hardware and software and provides common service, means it also provides service to the hardware as well as provide service to the software, that is not utility programs. Function of OS. User interface. Provide user interface or graphical user interface or command line interface to the interact with the system, means you can directly interact with system through the graphical icon or through command line with terminal. Resource management. File and hardware resource like CPU, memory, input output devices. File system management. We can organize and control the data storage and retrieval. Security. Protect data and resource from unauthorized access. Task management. Manage execution of multiple tasks and process simultaneously. Types of operating system. There are different types of operating system based on the system and design. One, for desktop we have Windows, Mac OS, Linux. For mobile we have Android OS and iOS. For server we have Windows Server, Linux. The popular operating system are Microsoft Windows. Almost 70 or 80% of the computer of the world is using Windows operating system, and the Mac OS is Apple's OS for Mac computer, known for its sleek design and performance. The Linux operating system is free and open source operating system, highly customizable and used in various environments for server and as well as desktop. Thanks for watching.